Hey guys, welcome back to Lopo TV. This is Gina. Today I will bring you guys the below new sublimation products made with aluminum inserts. As we all know, metal inserts products plays a key role in sublimation area. It is very easy for sublimation, almost zero defective rates, and the printing results are vivid. There are tons of products made by this way, so they are widely used in different occasions. That is why Lopo keep developing more new products to benefit our clients. Okay, now let's go back to our topic. I can't wait to show you guys the new things now. So the first one is our new dog leash. As you can see, this is an updated dog leash, and the printing parts in two sizes and it made by aluminum inserts. The most important thing is this dog leash can hold a dog of 45 kilograms. The normal type in the market can hold only around 25 kilograms packs. We opened this new mold because we received a lot of different feedbacks from our clients that they need a leash can hold large pets. So that it definitely will be a great product for pet owner. And as you can see, the leash is so smooth. And here's a little buckle for you to hold the leash. So that will be definitely a nice product for pet owners. Next one is the rectangle keychain, and this keychain sells the best among all the metal keychains. So we add more colors for this model to let clients have more choices. We add the rose gold, this might be girl's favorite, and we add the black color, my salesman's. Those two colors are so bright. You can leave your comments on below for the colors you prefer. The third one is the measuring tape. I must say, this is really an awesome product. I personally love it. How smart idea it is. This is a very useful tool in our daily life. Think that every family might have this measuring tape. And the product size is 5 meters and in 16 feet. And the printing area is large enough for you to make your DIY images. And the back side part have a buckle so that you can hold it on your pants, and you can also hand it on your walk like this. And here is also has a small buckle for you to hold the measuring tape like this. The last one is the metal tin lunch box. These metal tin lunch boxes are really gorgeous. They have a very large space and the materials are food grade. You can use it to hold your lunch like bread or fruits. It can also even use as a storage box to hold jewelry, or it can hold girls' small stuff. In a word, it can use in lots of different occasions. And there are very large printing areas to print your own design. Currently, we have 3 colors. So this is the traditional silver, and we also have the red color, and we also have the dark blue color. You can contact us for the colors you would like, and so that we can get back to you for further information. So that is all for today. If you like our new products, or if you have any questions about them, please leave your comments below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. See you next time. Bye bye.